Alright, y'all. I'm not wearing camo. I don't have very long. I have like 30 minutes. Very rainy, nasty day. And just has me driving through the fields, or driving the field. And the turkeys are out in the fields. There's a lone gobbler. There's a lone gobbler right here. He just gobbled. I'm gonna try to kill him with my GRANDDADDY'S Mossberg 185D. Let's see if we can get it done. I did it. No camo, rainy, thundering, nasty day with my Papaw's Mossberg 185D with a modified choke. 2 3/4 inch apex. If you heard the shots, it took a few. First shot, I think I completely missed. Second shot, I ran through the timber through here, shot him at about, I don't know, maybe 40, 30, and he finally took it. He wasn't quite done, so he ran, he's flopping down to the timber, so I just put another one in him. I'm tagged out in Nebraska. That first shot was probably too far, I shouldn't have took it, but second shot was good. He would have died. It just, you know, I don't use those 2 3/4 inch shells. It's just because this one, that's all it takes. But anyway, yes, that's awesome. This bird, he's got a broke spur. Ooh, some good calves. You know, I always say there's nothing worse than a wet turkey, and that's accurate. No camo. It was a rainy, nasty day. Absolutely gross out here. And had an hour, just go out here, drive the fields. Had tornadoes yesterday and the day before. Lincoln got hammered, Fort Calhoun got hammered. We were safe, but it has been raining on and off constantly. We've had 2 inches or so of rain in 2 days. But there we go. Nothing worse than a wet turkey. But I had a goal. Apex made 2 3/4 inch shells in TSS, and I wanted to try to shoot a turkey with my Papaw's Mossberg 185D. He bought brand new in 1953. And the stock has been worked on a little bit by Tyler's dad. It's still kind of, it's not great. I need to retire it, but I wanted to try to get a turkey this year. Nebraska's 2 turkeys this year, which is great. I'm all for that. This is my second bird, and with the Mossberg 185D. I saw this bird in the field, snuck into this timber, and just did what I could. He got as close as we could. No decoy, no nothing, just a little bit of calling. He was gobbling good, and I didn't get much on camera because I'm not wearing camo and I'm white as the ghost of Christmas past, so got to be careful. Use the woodsmanship as best as I can. First shot, I think I winged it. I pulled it or something, and it might have been a little far. I patterned this thing at 40, and it was pretty good. And it's just a modified choke. But then I ran down the timber. He didn't booger too bad. He kind of ran down the field a ways. I ran down through the timber, shot him, and then I let him have another one because he was dead. He just was flopping awful bad going into the timber, so I just let him have another one. But I don't care, you know, because people say, well, you should have let him get 20. Well, maybe, but like I've said before, I'm a turkey hunter, not a turkey caller, and I will use whatever means necessary. There's a reason they sell them in boxes of 5. And it's so when you miss, you can shoot again. So bolt action, that was fun trying to get him on, but yeah, I'm tagged out in Nebraska now. I can finally just focus on other people. I don't know how many locust thorns I have in me, but crawling through this is terrible. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Kyle here, Plainsmen Outdoors. If you haven't seen it, check out Tyler's run and gun turkey video. It was great. It was an awesome hunt. Check out mine and Nate's Kansas video. We had a great time in Kansas. It's thundering. Like, I just shot a turkey. So I'm tagged out. Let's get out of here.